I'm Mira. Welcome to PLN Explains. Consumer rights in online shopping, refunds, fake products, and dark patterns. Have you ever ordered a branded product online and received a fake one? Or tried to cancel an order only to discover that the website made it almost impossible? Millions of Indians shop online every day, but many don't know that the law gives them important rights as consumers. Today, we'll understand your legal rights in online shopping and what you can do when things go wrong. Your rights as an online consumer. When you buy goods or services online, you enjoy the same basic consumer protections as an offline purchaser. Under the Consumer Protection Act, 2019, consumers have important rights, including the right to be informed about products and services, the right to choose, the right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices, the right to consumer education. E-commerce businesses must also comply with specific obligations under the Consumer Protection E-commerce Rules 2020, which aim to promote transparency and accountability. Refunds and fake products. If you receive a counterfeit, defective, damaged, or materially different product from what was advertised, you may have legal remedies depending on the facts and the platform's applicable policies. For example, a fake branded product, a damaged electronic item, a product significantly different from its description, delivery of the wrong item. Consumers should immediately preserve invoices, screenshots, photographs, emails, and chat records, as these may become important evidence if a dispute arises. What are dark patterns? Another growing concern is the use of dark patterns. These are user interface designs intended to influence or manipulate consumer decisions. Examples may include hidden charges revealed only at checkout, difficult cancellation processes, pre-selected options for paid services, false urgency messages such as only one item left, where such claims are misleading, confusing subscription renewals. Indian regulators have increasingly recognized that deceptive digital practices may amount to unfair trade practices depending on the facts. How can you seek legal remedies? If your complaint is not resolved by the seller or platform, you have several options. You may use the platform's grievance redressal mechanism, contact the seller directly, approach the appropriate consumer commission under the Consumer Protection Act where applicable, report misleading advertisements or unfair trade practices to the appropriate regulatory authorities where relevant. The appropriate legal remedy depends upon the facts, the nature of the dispute, and the applicable law. Smart shopping tips. Before placing your next online order, buy from trusted sellers. Read product descriptions carefully. Check verified reviews. Save invoices and payment records. Read refund and return policies. Avoid making decisions based solely on countdown timers or pressure tactics. An informed consumer is the strongest protection against online fraud. Online shopping has made life more convenient, but convenience should never come at the cost of consumer rights. The law expects businesses to deal fairly, honestly, and transparently with consumers. And when those standards are not met, consumers have legal remedies available to protect their interests. This was PLN Explains. I'm Mira. Thank you for watching. Join us again as we continue simplifying India's laws for everyday life.